Assalamualaikum. In this video we will learn how to make this wall hanging. First we need to take a color paper and cut squares of the measurements shown here. We need 2 pieces of each of the measurement. Then we need to fold the square diagonally 4 times. Draw a semicircle as shown here and cut out the extra part. Open only one fold and make a small cut in between. Now open all the folds and you can see that it has turned into a flower. Similarly, repeat the same process for all. Now stick all the pieces together in descending order, that is from big to small as shown in the video. Take a strip of paper which is 30 into 1.5 cm in measurement. Now fold the strip and make cuts as shown here. Roll the strip and push it outwards. Stick this in the center part of the flower. Similarly, make 8 flowers of different sizes. Now take a piece of cardboard. Cut it into a moon-shaped pattern as shown here. Take a piece of paper and cut it into half. Now roll it to make it into a paper stick. Similarly, make 7 to 8 pieces of the sticks. Now stick them as shown here. Cut out the extras of the sticks to make it neat. Now stick the flowers on other side of the moon-shaped cutout. And here we have made the wall hanging, which can be easily made with things available at home.